What's up, guys? It's Anthony from the Unknown 720. We're going to be camping tonight at Shackleford Island with the wild horses, and if we get anything crazy, we'll be going live tonight. So you guys stay tuned and hit that follow button. What's up, guys? We are now on the good old cruise ship. We got our private cruise ship here. Getting a private ferry to the island. Okay, guys, we have walked up on 2 wild horses.
You just can't see the other one that's over there?
Yeah, there is actually 3. There's